According to the information from NASA Global Climate Change, the temperature rised up 2.1 Fahrenheit since 1880, and the sea level rised up 3.3 millimeters per year. Some of the countries or areas may submerged by the higher and higher sea level. In order to improve the accuracy of the weather, high-performance computing plays an important role to provide a computation resource to increase the accuracy of the weather forecast. Garaotus noticed this is an important mission to help the scientists of atmospheric to find the way and also the forecast data more accurate in order to help the problem of disaster prevention. Let me show you how Garaotus help the people and also the climate change in next couple minutes. Garaotus HPC service module features the requirement from different roles, such as IT administrators and the end users. Some of the high-performance computing resource needs to be allocated or prioritized to particular group of people. These kind of scenarios all will consider it into the Garaotus HPC service module. There are three major benefits or features in Garaotus HPC service module. Number one is about job scheduler. Job scheduler is a primary resource allocation program in HPC architecture. We integrate the job scheduler Slum into the Garaotus cloud platform. The users are able to use command line interface or graphic user interface to allocate the computing resource through the Garaotus cloud platform. Number two is about monitoring or bidding system. Why we say this is important or features to the customer? This is designed for the IT administrators because in some occasions, the IT administrators, they have to know or to understand the resource, who or which kind of people they consume, which kind of resource in their practice. Because all of the budget may come from different organization in the school or research institute. Based on the report or the monitoring system, the IT administrators is able to learn the resource allocation plan, so he can prioritize the resource to different groups of people. Number three is about reporting system. The reporting system is for end users or IT administrators. They are able to predict or to understand how much high-performance computing resource has been consumed every single month or every single task. So it would be evidence or a paper to help the people to plan for their next high-performance requirement. In the last couple minutes, we talked about Garaotus HPC service platform. And now it's time to give you more detail about what kind of service or features of the HPC service modules are. This is the HPC service module. And the end user of HPC service module, two roles. Number one, end users. Number two, IT administrators. As you know, basically for end users, there are different types of end users. They are researchers, teachers, and the student. For IT administrators, it could be the data center administrator or the whole project administrators. And then let's have a look what kind of service module can provide. Number one, job scheduler. Number two, let's say resource management. And then there are two modules under resource management. Number one, billing and the metering. Number two, report. So let's have a look for the job scheduler. Job scheduler is the most important part of the HPC service module because it's a module to allocate the computing resource, and the end users, they are able to access the computer resource through two approaches. Number one, command line interface. Number two, graphic user interface. So no matter it's a researcher, teacher, or student, basically they can access the HPC service module through command line or graphic user interface. And the resource management features such as billing and also metering, it is available for both end users and also administrators. This is a very crucial or important features especially for the administrator to optimize or to reallocate the resource regularly for the important projects. For the report, basically, this module is also available for both the end users and also administrators. The report can be customized based on daily or monthly or weekly based on their requirement to make sure the report detail and especially for the administrator, they can, based on the report, to plan next high-performance computing resource. And then these two features, billing and the metering, belongs to the resource management. So this is a HPC service module, and I hope you understand the detail about this design. Garaotus, moving your cloud forward.